family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious jello made out of milk, creamy, and cherry that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, preparing the mold where I'm going to add the jello. This part is very important. You want to grease your mold very good. So when the jello is ready, it really separates beautifully from the mold. And here I have 4 tablespoons of unsweetened gelatin. 4 tablespoons. To this, I am going to add 1.5 cups of very cold water. I am going to mix it very well until it incorporates really good. And this is going to take time, let me tell you. Look at this, it's getting nice and thick. I'm gonna leave it aside so that it starts hydrating. Now I'm ready to add 3 cups of very hot water. And now I'm going to add the cherry jello right inside, 2 packages of this amazing cherry jello. I am going to mix and dissolve it really good for about 2 to 3 minutes. This part is very important. You want to make sure that the jello really dissolves into the very hot water. Once 2 or 3 minutes have passed, I am ready to add 3 cups of very cold water. And now I'm going to add the mixture of the cherry slowly, gradually, so that it really incorporates into the cold water. This is really going to bring the temperature down. This part is very important. Keep whisking. Do not add everything at one time. Add it slowly. Once it's nice and incorporated, we're going to put it aside. I want to continue with my mixtures of the milk. I have 1 condensed milk, and of course I'm using my little gadget to open it. When it's done, you just press on top of it and you're ready to release the top. Look at this. Let me tell you, sometimes these cans are so difficult to open, and with this little gadget, it's done. Here I have 1 bar of cream cheese. I'm only using half a bar of cream cheese to make this amazing jello. Well, here, let me show you. I am going to add this half of the cream cheese into my blender cup. I'm going to add 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk. And of course, you might be thinking this is going to be so sugary. No, it's not going to be sugary. It's going to be just perfect. Sweet, but not overwhelming. Once you add this, let's see how the jello has really bloomed. Look at this. That's exactly how you want it. I am going to transfer it to another cup so I could take it to the microwave every 30 seconds until it becomes liquidy, just like milk. Look at this. Once this is done, I am going to incorporate it with the rest of the ingredients that are in the blender cup. Of course, don't forget to add your vanilla extract or your vanilla paste. This is really going to bring this jello to another level. Delicious, amazing. Mix it very well for at least 2 minutes so everything is well incorporated. Look at this. Let me tell you, this creamy, delicious jello you are going to love. Well, when this is done, we are ready to start assembling our jello. Like I said, blend it for 2 to 3 minutes. The mold is ready. I'm adding a little bit of the milk right on the bottom. I'm going to take it to the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Every every refrigerator is different. So once it's nice and you could touch it and it doesn't stick to your fingers, you're ready to add the cherry mixture right on the top. Be careful. I'm doing it extra slow, but even though I'm doing it slow, the jello of the milk started floating up. Oh well, you cannot predict how this jello is going to come out. Look at this. The milk jello is floating all the way up. Might as well wait until it floats all the way. Now that it's floating, I am ready to put it back in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes. Once this is done, I am ready to add the mixture of the milk right on the top. Being really careful. And now I'm ready to take it one more time, 30 minutes. And then after it comes out, I am ready to pour the last mixture of the cherry right on the top. Let me tell you, this jello always comes out so delicious and creamy that you and your family are really going to enjoy it. And this is the perfect time to enjoy it. When the weather is changing and it's getting nice and warm, why not enjoy this amazing creamy jello made at home with lots of love? Okay, I am ready to remove it. Let's reveal how this jello is going to come out. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continue growing. I'm trying to do it. Look at this. Look how beautiful this came out. You could see the layers. It just looks amazing. I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy what I enjoy here with my beautiful family. When you are ready to slice, wet your knife so that the jello doesn't stick to the knife and it's easy to release. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. I am ready for the presentation. I am ready to enjoy this amazing, creamy cherry jello. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this creamy and delicious cherry jello made at home with lots of love. This is the part I really love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. So creamy. And the flavor, just amazing. Perfect for this warm weather. If you like and love this amazing jello, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing creamy cherry jello made at home with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.